Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could become your go-to solution for all kinds of repairs and crafts, the Loctite Super Glue Gel repositionable adhesive. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Loctite Super Glue Gel? This is a clear, cyanoacrylate adhesive available in a convenient 0.14 fluid ounces bottle, and it comes in a 6-pack, perfect for anyone who likes to keep their supplies stocked. Unlike traditional glues, this gel formulation is designed to be repositionable, giving you more time to align and adjust pieces before they bond. This means you can achieve that perfect fit without worrying about accidentally sticking your fingers together or misaligning your materials. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this super glue. First and foremost, the repositionable formula is a game changer. It allows you to take your time and make adjustments as needed, which is particularly useful for detailed projects or repairs. Additionally, this super glue offers superior performance, especially on vertical surfaces, making it ideal for fixing breaks around the home or office. Another great feature is the patented easy side squeeze bottle design. This design provides maximum control and pinpoint accuracy during application, allowing you to apply just the right amount of glue exactly where you need it. Whether you're working on a delicate craft project or a more robust repair, this level of control is invaluable. One of the most appealing aspects of the Loctite Super Glue Gel is its versatility. It works well on a variety of surfaces, including porous and non-porous materials like leather, rubber, wood, metal, paper, ceramic, and even most hard plastics. This makes it suitable for a wide range of users, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a hobbyist, or someone simply looking to make quick repairs around the house. Speaking of practical use cases, this super glue is perfect for everything from fixing broken furniture and toys to crafting unique projects and repairs. If you've ever had a favorite mug chip or a wooden frame break, this glue can help you restore those items to their former glory without the need for clamps or complicated setups. Plus, it dries clear in just 15 to 120 seconds, making your repairs virtually invisible. In conclusion, the Loctite Super Glue Gel repositionable adhesive is a reliable, user-friendly option that delivers precision and versatility. Whether your task requires delicate work or sturdy repairs, this adhesive has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.